In the heart of every adventure lies a longing for the perfect blend of comfort and exploration. That's where Arcadia comes in, a brand built on the belief that your RV experience should be as extraordinary as the destinations you visit, inspiring adventurers like you to embark on remarkable journeys and create unforgettable memories along the way. Step into the Arcadia 253 SLRD. With a focus on versatility, this floor plan offers ample room for relaxation, entertainment, and quality time with loved ones. The living area is a cozy retreat adorned with inspired furnishings and tasteful decor. Unwind in the comfortable seating while enjoying the warm glow of the fireplace, creating the perfect ambiance for evenings spent recounting your adventures or enjoying movie nights with the family. Modern appliances, ample counter space, and generous storage options make this an ideal space to enjoy memorable family meals or intimate dinners. When it's time to rest, retreat to the peaceful bedroom oasis. The master suite offers a sanctuary of comfort. The attention to detail and luxurious touches ensure that your nights are filled with rejuvenating sleep, preparing you for your new adventures each day. The bedroom retreat includes a spacious shower, elegant fixtures, and plenty of storage for your essentials. The beauty of the Arcadia 253 SLRD extends beyond its interior. With its signature design, this fifth wheel not only turns heads but it offers exceptional functionality. The exterior features include durable construction and convenient utility connections. The 20-foot awning extends your living space, allowing you to relax and enjoy the fresh air while protected from the elements. With ample storage compartments, you can bring along all your gear, ensuring that you have everything you need for your adventures. Arcadia invites you to embark on a journey where style and adventure converge. Step into the world of elegance, embrace the spirit of exploration, and let Arcadia 253 SLRD be your gateway to unforgettable adventures. Discover more about this Arcadia floor plan and explore the full lineup of Keystone RVs. Visit our website or contact us today to find your perfect RV companion with a personal shopper.